In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video background to your PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're looking to emphasize your message or just add a dynamic touch to your slides, using a video background can be a fantastic way to make your presentation stand out. So let's dive into the process and get started. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have your presentation ready, or you can create a new one if you're just experimenting. With PowerPoint open, navigate to the presentation you want to enhance with a video background. Now, to insert the video, go to the Insert tab located at the top of your PowerPoint window. This tab has several options for adding content to your slides, but today we're focused on video. Click on the video option to proceed. Once you click video, a drop-down will appear that lets you decide where you'd like to source your video from. You might see several options here depending on your version of PowerPoint. You can choose from an online source, file on your computer, or stock videos. For our example today, we'll choose stock videos. Browse through the available stock videos and select one that fits the theme or message of your presentation. Click on the video you wish to use. This action will highlight your selection. With your desired video selected, go ahead and click on Insert. At this point, PowerPoint will start downloading the video so it can be embedded directly into your slide. Depending on the size and length of the video, the download might take a few moments. Be patient and let it finish downloading. Once the download is complete, your video will appear on the slide. Next, click on the video itself to ensure it's selected. With the video selected, head over to the Playback tab in the top menu. Now, it's crucial to set a couple of playback options to ensure your presentation flows smoothly. First, you'll want to ensure that the video is set to start automatically. This option is under the video options section. Setting the video to start automatically means that as soon as you navigate to this slide, the video will begin playing without any further clicks needed. Next, check the box labeled loop until stopped. This ensures that the video will continue playing on a loop until you move on to the next slide. Lastly, make sure you check the option to rewind after playing. This small step ensures that if you return to this slide, the video is reset and starts fresh rather than resuming from where it stopped. And there you have it, you've successfully added a video background to your PowerPoint slide. Remember, a well-chosen video can enhance your presentation and capture your audience's attention, so choose something that complements your content. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.